Hip hop and Afro pop.
Yeah.
And you still sing.
Yeah.
Sing and let us listen.
See the love I get for you no bin kwalagro. Tenete my sister that me medi wa bro. So hwe me ni mo say ana me kwa do. Nti odo ye we me die me medi atro. Enye go tintin ana wo tietia. Nye wo tuntum kokko ana go pay bia. O jintin na ye me say me stay here. Ti baby makoma na ye we the same we. Say duachi ya emu yo ene tuma ye fin so entity mentungu. Bosola gbe mbo alere akeken langa to John fenela kare enfumusu
Hey,
abata ni
scratch it. Tobo, what speed too much? Oh, young Rennie.
if I show me a konkoma.
Konkoma.
Yeah.
Why do you choose to rap in tree?
Well, honestly, music, I enye chi specifically na me choose to say me a rap, but it's about the concept. It be a inspiration, but it could come in tree or konkoma or English. So I take that's how I take it.
Do you write your songs?
Yeah, I write my songs.
Where were you at university?
Me pasha David. Me a GHS liver.
SHS Kwame Nyankobi.
David.
So do you want to go to school or you want to do music for the rest of your life?
Well, Semenya chance there. I have to continue my school, but Semenya chance there still with the vibe, music in there. I have to do it.
What is music to Don Mettal? When we talk about music, what is it to you?
Well, music plays a lot of roles in a human being's